Inclusion Summit. This is for the first time we're doing something like this together with the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Philippine Association of State Colleges and Universities, and the League of Corporate Foundations.
Sure. Is there any specific why the PUP?
Actually, PUP is the largest state university in the country today, and what better way to promote financial inclusion with almost 100,000 students across 26 campuses nationwide. But the president should be the one to justify that, right?
Yes, so
This partnership also involves other state universities.
we involve the PASO, the Association of State Universities and Colleges.
But PUP being the largest,
Yes.
it has special
We just initiate this initiative para naman makatulong tayo sa mga iba't ibang universities.
Yung financial inclusion course, saan college siya kapasok?
Actually, it is embedded in the curriculum, usually sa mga accounting-related, mga MPrep-related subjects.
Marketing,
management, business, financial management.
But we have a use case, University of Makati. You've heard the session earlier with Dr. Laarni. The very first university that adopted financial literacy is University of Makati, and they actually implemented these to senior high school students. Now, President X is implementing it to college students. We hope the members of the Philippine Association of State Colleges and Universities, of course PUP being also a member, can be able to trickle this down to almost 120 SUCs. BSP's record is showing that only 27% of the youth aging from 15 to 19 are financially included. So what better way for us to cascade financial literacy but to the academic sector, to the education sector, so that we'll have more financially included Filipinos, particularly the youth.
Ilang units you offer to financial inclusion subject?
Normally, it is embedded in the curriculum or the syllabus, mga 3 units subject. 3 units. And in the case of PUP, we are offering associate course in financial management, and part of that is the subject, financial literacy and inclusivity.
If I may add also from Dr. Mui's pronouncement earlier, the Lahat Kasama Financial Literacy module is now the most comprehensive FinLit material in the country, spanning personal finance, micro-insurance, micro-investment, micro-entrepreneurship, hanggang digital at saka green finance kasama niya. So there's no financial literacy material in the country today. But this is actually the one created by Cebuana Luwiller Foundation in cooperation with CEPTO Education, which you heard earlier from Paco Sandejas.
Yung ibang mga proponent ng digital learning to prepare the students to 21st century requirements, they're pushing for short courses, with certifications, credentials. And since this is, you're offering this financial inclusion as an associate course, are you also looking into that strategy to offer this as a
bachelor?
Yeah, bachelor. The micro credentials.
There is to be micro credentials, but as bachelor's degree, medyo long shot yun. We just embedded the topic of financial literacy sa subject, sa course.
Mr. Jonathan, we are very happy that, of course, we're tapping the state universities and colleges, hopefully even the private institutions or higher education institutions. But we're starting with SUCs, pero ito yung mga estudyante na nasa laylayan ng lipunan. Kailangan nating turuan on financial literacy. That's why we're prioritizing state universities and colleges at this point.
Yung micro credentials, they will receive certificates.
That's the idea.
Going to receive this.
That's now what is implemented in the University of Makati. So it's a self-paced, downloadable program, which are actually at the own pace of the students, and they can, at the end of the day, get a certification. So what better way to graduate? No? Meron silang certification on being financially literate. It adds to the prestige and reputation of the graduating student.
Offer din siya online? Or
tinitingnan namin yon with other partners like PUP. Download it para sa isang app na store kahit na walang internet, you can have also that.
Self-paced ba? Self-paced.
Ilang years siya na pwedeng you-paced? 1 year?
Since self-paced ito, kahit kailan, kung kaya mo tapusin ng 5 days.
By modules kasi
By
siya.
modules. So we have about 5 modules that spans yung sinabi ko kanina, personal finance, micro-insurance, micro-investment, micro-loans, cash transfers, even green finance, and digital finance are also embedded in the
Does
financial
Cebuana
literacy.
Lumiere accept students who graduates of this with
In
micro
fact,
credentials?
we require our scholars, we have graduated more than 1,000 of these to actually take this as a course, and there is an E2E scheme for our scholars, education to employment. So they're required, once they become scholars and took the financial literacy module, they need to be employed with Cebuana Lumiere for at least 2 years.
Tsaka, in addition to that, walang pinipili kasi course ang financial inclusivity. Kahit na into ka sa management or engineering ka, it's a must for the students. No? Lalo na pagka, kailangan ng savings. Now you're going to manage the savings.
So this is supported by CHED.
We're supposed to at least approach
Yeah.
CHED.
We invited CHED because of so many activities, pero it is supported by the Commission on Higher Education.